Welcome to the Chubb Care System help video. This video will help with the process of changing a device showing low battery. The system will notify when there is a low battery on a device. The dashboard will show a total of devices with a low battery. Clicking on the number of devices will take you to the device showing low battery. To edit the record, click on the green amend icon. The page shows the device showing low battery. It is best practice to add the replacement device before deleting the current one. This is because if you have an issue adding the replacement device, your existing one will still work even though the battery is low, giving you time to get a new working device. When ready to add your replacement device, click on the pendant icon. This will show Activate Device. Press the button to register the replacement device. Once learned, it will show this menu. Click on the drop-down menu and select the device type you are replacing. Once added, you will now see your new device and your older device with the low battery. It is advised to test your replacement device in the area it is going to be used. Please do a number of tests to ensure coverage. When ready to remove your low battery device, click on the red delete icon. This will ask you to confirm deletion. This will confirm the device is removed and your system should now only show the replaced device. Thank you for watching our Chubb Care System help video.